We are solving a very common CXC physics question on motion in a straight line. This is specifically free fall. It says a goalkeeper drops a football of mass 0.43 kilogram vertically downward from rest from a height of 1.5 meters. That is your displacement. Calculate the velocity of the ball just before it makes contact with the ground. We're given G, which is gravity, as 10 meters per second squared. From the question, our initial velocity is U is equal to 0 meters per second. The reason because it is dropped from rest. So our initial velocity is 0. Our acceleration A is given as 10, so it's 10 meters per second squared. Then our displacement is given as S is 1.5 meters. For this question, we will not be using the mass because the mass is not really important for this question. So the next step is to use the correct equation. For this, we use the kinematic equation formula, which is V squared equal to U squared plus 2AS. Now the V is the final velocity, the U is the initial velocity, A is acceleration, and S is displacement. So what next? We log in the values. So we have V squared equal to U squared is 0, so it's out. So we have 2 times our acceleration is 10 times our displacement is 1.5. So therefore we have V squared equal to 2 times 10 is 20. 20 times 1.5 is 30. So we have 30. So we have V squared equal to 30. So next, to get our V, which is the velocity of the ball just before it makes contact with the ground, we take the square root of both sides. So the square roots cancel out our 2. So we have V squared equal to the square root of 30. So therefore our velocity is equal to, what is velocity? What is the square root of 30? That gives us approximately 5.48. So we have 5.48 meters per second. So that is our final answer. Now, students often lose marks because they use the wrong equation. They forget that U is 0, seeing that it is from rest. Most students do not show the substitution. And again, they forget units. Always write your steps clearly. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you can see more videos. Thank you, and see you in our next video.